Alright, this is very suspicious. There's clouds. Those clouds there are going this way. And even though it's calmed down, and it was also like a lot brighter, but now it just got a lot darker in a couple of minutes. And now the clouds are just going from there to there and circling. And before, you could see them just at the rim of the house, but now they've built up over there. You can't really see it through the camera though, but it looks like it's going around all the way through here and kinda over there, but not really. And going like that, it looks like it's getting smaller and smaller. So there may be a tornado, but I think there won't be.